vinegar and flour experiment. So the cork, it's supposed to like be a rocket ship or something. Yeah. Let's see if it works.
Yeah, it's actually not flour, it's baking soda.
Oh.
Yeah, so we're doing a cork rocket from this cool pop bottle experiment kit that we got. What do we have there, kids?
Yeah.
It's the funnel, empty 2-liter pop bottle with the wrapper taken off.
Vinegar
and
cork and
a little
baking soda.
And a little measuring cup with a tiny bit of baking soda in it.
Okay, so what we're gonna do first is you're gonna fill up that pop bottle about half full with vinegar.
Yeah, I should.
I want to.
Okay, so it's almost done filling up, I think.
Yeah.
It's about it's about halfway full. That should be good.
Okay, now we're gonna take the baking powder. What you gotta do is you're gonna take a paper towel.
Okay, what do we
You're
do?
gonna put it kind of right in the middle of the paper towel and then try to make like a little packet. There you go. Just gotta roll. Yep. There you go.
Here.
Alright. So now let's move all our stuff away. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do next is you're gonna take that paper towel filled with baking soda and you're gonna shove it in there. And then as fast as you can, you're just stop it up with the cork and then back up so it doesn't hit you in the head.
Just gotta.
You're not ready. Goodness.
Get back! What's going on? Oh, it's going up. Oh, get back, get back, get back!
It wasn't on there tight enough. Now shake it up. Okay, back up.
Where'd it go?
Okay, we're gonna try it one more time. Let's try it again. Shake it up again. Back up.
Where'd it go?
I know where it is. Now it's just like